Hello and welcome to math lesson number 50. So first of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And to begin, we'll stretch up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low. Touch our toes. Back up high, and this time can we go tippy toe high, high on our tippy toes, and then back down, touch our toes, back up, and this time let's gently go side to side just to give our spine a stretch, and then forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Please sit down. So math lesson number 50. Does anybody remember what we've been learning about recently in maths? Mass, correct. How do we spell mass? A-M-A-S-S. And we're going to continue doing our review. R-E-V-I-E-W. Mass. Review. Okay, so we'll begin with kilogram. How do we spell kilogram? I-L-O-G-R-A-M. Kilogram. Kilogram. Hectogram. How do we spell C-T-O-G-R-A-M. hectogram. And does anybody remember the weight that is the same as hectogram? Kid, that we use in Thailand, kh, and we will spell it. Remember, hectogram and kid are the same. And the final one? G-R-A-M. Gram. Okay? Kilogram. Hectogram. Kid. Gram. If we have 1 kilogram, 10 hectograms and 10 kid. Hectograms and kid always the same.
And 1,000 grams.
1,000 grams. You see, that's our unit of conversion. 1 kilogram equals
10 hectograms.
or
10 kg.
and
1,000 grams.
excellent. So we'll keep this one here on the board for students to look at, to reference. And we'll now do an activity where I will write different units of weight, but I will forget to do one. And I will invite a student to come forward and complete the series for me. So let's see, I'll begin with, we'll go with 5 kilograms,
50 hectograms. 50 kg.
but
5,000 grams.
let's see, close your eyes. I want somebody to write it first. Okay, we can open our eyes now. So Pat, come forward and join teacher. So you can see, how many kilograms do we have? 5 kilograms. And how many hectograms and kid? 4. Pat, if 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, how many grams is 5 kilograms?
5,000.
Okay, can you write? 5, 0, 0, and we can use the comma for thousands. Excellent. So, ready, Pat? 5 kilograms equals 50 hectograms, 50 kid. How many grams?
5,000 grams.
Excellent. High five. Rounds of applause for Pat. Next one. This time I'm writing in blue. Let's open your eyes, please. Who has the marker? Come and join teacher. So, how many kilograms have I written?
10 kilograms.
And 10 kilograms is how many grams?
10,000 grams.
But how about hectograms and kid?
100 hectograms.
You're always slightly, you're 0. Okay, that's fine, we can tell. So remember, hectograms and kid, always the same. Prao, 10 kilograms.
10 kilograms.
1,000 grams. 10,000 grams.
10,000 grams.
How many hectograms, Ankid?
100 hectograms.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes. High five. And round of applause for Pearl. Let's do a couple more. But I think you understand already, but we'll practice some more. Let's see. So we've had kilograms, we've had grams, we will do. Bangpon, come and join teacher. Are you ready? So this time I have written already, we have how many hectograms?
20 hectograms.
How many kids?
20
Okay, so 20 hectograms, how many kilograms?
2 kilograms.
Ready? Really? Correct. So 2 kilograms, 20 hectograms, 20 kids, how many grams?
2,000 grams.
Perfect. And remembers the comma too. Bangpon, that's brilliant. So how many kilograms? 2. How many hectograms?
20,
How many kids?
20,
Always the same. How many grams?
down 2,000.
Perfect. High five. Round of applause for Bangpon. We're going to do one more. Okay? And this time, I will not write anything. Open your eyes, please, guys. Down. You have the marker. Come and join teacher. This time, what have I written? Nothing. It's up to you. You can do your own. How many kilograms will you begin with?
15.
15. Okay, 15. So let's do together 15 kilograms. How many hectograms?
150.
Perfect. Well done, Bangpon. Pakpon. So 150 hectograms.
Equal 1,000.
How many kids?
1,000.
Same.
Equal 1,500. Grams.
How many grams?
1,500.
Remember, 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. 15 kilograms, 15,000. So we take away our comma here, we have, yes, and we need how many zeros?
3.
3. One more zero here, please, down.
15,000.
That's excellent. So you see, how many kilograms have you written?
15 kilograms,
And how many hectograms is that?
150 hectograms,
And how many kids?
150
The same.
kg,
So, how many grams?
15,000 grams.
Excellent. High five. Round of applause for down. You see, 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. 15 kilograms, 15,000 grams. When you convert kilograms to grams, it's times by 1,000. Okay, guys? Well done. Round of applause. So that activity was just to make sure my students understand the rates of conversion. And what we're going to do now is look further at mass and the review of mass by looking at the PowerPoint presentation. And we also have a video to look at too. So let's all please turn our chairs and look at the TV screen. And what is mass? Mass is commonly measured by how much something weighs. Yes, mass and weight, same thing. So, comparing mass, which is what we did on our board activity earlier. We'll look at mass in kilograms and hectograms. Can anybody remember 1 kilogram? How many kid? Yes, remember, always the same. Hectogram and kid, the same. So 1 kilogram is 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, 4 kilograms, 10 kilograms. Excellent, well done. 10 kilograms, 100 hectograms. To find the difference between kilogram and hectogram, we multiply by 10. Yes, 1 kilogram, 10 hectograms. You see, to go from kilogram to hectogram, we times by 10. But if we want to go from hectograms to kilograms, divide by 10. The rate of conversion is 10. So kilogram, how many grams?
1,000 grams.
And hectogram, how many grams?
100 grams.
Yes. 100 times 10, 1,000. Next we look at hectogram and kid. Remember, hectogram and kid are the same, aren't they? The same. But kid is a special weight or unit of mass we only use in Thailand. If I go home, if I go to England and say kid, nobody knows. If I go to America or Africa and I say, oh, that weighs 10 kid, they'd look at me and say, what's kid? Only in Thailand do we use kid. And 1 kilogram is 10 hectogram or 10 kid. So ready guys? 1 kilogram is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called kid or hectogram. Excellent. 50 kid, 50 hectogram. 30 kid, 70 kid, 9 million kid, hectogram, always the same. What fruit is this? Pineapple. How much does the pineapple weigh in kid? And how much in hectograms? Always the same. Well done, guys. How about the laptop computer? How many kid?
15 kids.
So how many hectograms?
15 hectograms.
Excellent. Always the same. Kid, hectograms, you don't need to do anything. Always the same. How about this book in keyed?
70.
How many hectograms?
7 hectograms.
Okay, let's think. A little bit more difficult. How many grams?
7,000.
70 grams. 700 grams.
700. 1 keyed or 1 hectogram, 100 grams. And how many keyed for this chest? 6 keyed. How many hectograms?
Hectogram.
How many grams?
600 grams.
600 grams. 1 keyed or 1 hectogram, 100 grams. So 6 hectograms, 600 grams. This is what a gram looks like. It's the smallest amount of weight, like a little piece of paper or a little flour. The smallest weight, 1 gram. You can hardly feel it. If it was on your hand, you might not feel it at all. So let's have a look more, hectogram to gram. Remember, 1 hectogram, 100 grams. See, 100 grams, 1 hectogram. So if the pineapple weighs 600 grams, how many hectograms? 6 hectograms. How many keyed? So can we say the pineapple weighs 600 grams or 6 hectograms? The laptop weighs 1,500 grams. 1,500 grams or 15 hectograms. How many keyed?
15.
Remember the same, excellent, 15 keyed. The book weighs 700 grams
700 grams.
or 7 hectograms.
7 hectograms.
How many keyed?
7 key.
Perfect. Well done, guys. And our final one, the chest weighs 600 grams
600 grams.
or
Or
6 hectograms.
6 hectograms.
How many keyed?
6 key.
Excellent. Very well remembered. Round of applause. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint presentation to learn about the different units of mass and how we can compare them. Remember, guys, 1 kilogram,
1 kilogram.
10 hectograms.
10 hectograms.
How many keyed?
10 key.
And how many grams?
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams. Okay, well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's all stand up and push in our chairs. And this time, let's start by moving our hands. Rotate our wrists, because we'll be doing some writing soon. So we'll exercise our wrists. Can we go back the other way? Can we do one way and one the other? And then swap. And now shake our arms. And this time, hands on hips. Let's roll our shoulders. And let's go back the other way. And now stand legs apart. Let's give a little wiggle. Stop. Another little wiggle. Stop. And this time wiggle forwards and backwards. Stop. Backwards and forwards. Excellent. And to finish, we'll do 10 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect, guys. Have a seat. Now, it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you will need to do is print off a worksheet for all of your students. And what we have a list of fruits. So first of all, let's see our fruits. Strawberries.
Strawberry.
Banana.
Banana.
How about this fruit?
Apple.
It can be a red apple, I think, yes. And then, how about this fruit?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Orange.
Or cherries.
Cherry.
Orange.
Orange.
Pineapple. And what you can see are fruits, they all have different weights. All of the weights given are in grams. So what our students need to do is convert the weight in grams into hectograms, kilogram. Okay? So remember, you have your conversion table on the board. The first one is strawberries. Strawberries, 100 grams. So 100 grams, if 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, how many hectograms is 100 grams? 1 hectogram. And no kilograms because it's too small. 0 kilograms, excellent. 100 grams is not big enough. So what we need to do, teachers, is give our students around 15 minutes for them to work through the fruits and convert them into the different units of weight or mass. And what's the thing to remember about hectogram and kid? Always the same, excellent. And what should we do first?
Write our name on top.
Write our names on top. Pat?
Thank you.
Lakgao.
Thank you.
Bangpon.
Thank you.
Prel?
Teacher.
You're welcome. Chu?
Thank you.
Pakbong? You're welcome. And Net.
Thank you.
So write your names on top, guys. Any questions, anything you don't understand, let me know. I will help you. Teachers, give your students 15 minutes for the worksheet activity and just monitor your class and give them any help that the students need. So you see, the first one, strawberries, 100 grams. If 1,000 grams is 10 hectograms, how many hectograms is 100 grams? 1. Excellent. It's 1. 100 grams, 1 hectogram. And 1 hectogram is how many kid?
1 kid.
1 kid, exactly. But we don't have enough grams for any kilograms. Okay? 3, so we have 50. 100 grams, 1 hectogram. 1 kid, 0 kilograms. That's right. 350 grams. How many hectograms? Yes, 3 Hg. Not kilograms, hectograms. Hectograms, Hg. Be careful with your abbreviations, guys. Remember, hectogram is Hg. $100 grams, 1 hectogram. You see, 1,000 grams, 10 hectograms. So 100 grams, 1 hectogram. What do we say about hectogram and keyd? Always the same. So 3 hectograms, 3 keyd. Remember, hectogram and keyd, always the same. 50 grams? 0, yes.
And 0 kilogram.
Yes, because we don't have enough for kilograms. So we have how many grams?
350 grams.
How many hectograms can we make out of 350 grams?
35.
If 100 grams, 1 hectogram, 300 grams,
3 grams.
3 hectograms. 3 hectograms. And if we have 3 hectograms, how many keyd do we have?
3.
The same, yes. Perfect. Okay.
5.
0. We don't have enough, you see? Bec-
0.
yes, we don't have enough for kilograms.
0.
Yes, because all in grams.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, 300 grams will be the same. 3 hectograms, 3 kilograms. That down, okay? Almost. Remember, not 5 grams, 50. Nearly ready. Excellent. Excellent. Pat, how you doing? Okay? 350 is 3 hectograms. So you can. So you see you have 3 hectograms. Perfect. And then 50 grams left over. Excellent, well done. And the same, hectogram and keyd, always the same. So you'll notice as you're working through them, there's no kilograms. Kilograms always 0, because the weights in grams don't reach kilograms. See, 0. 3 hectograms,
3 kilograms.
3 keyd. 1 hectogram,
1 kilo.
3 hectograms,
3 kilo.
2 hectograms,
2 kilo.
50 grams,
0
because we need 100 grams for, yes, because we haven't reached, and this one is right. But remember, if we have 50 grams left over, see, 3 hectograms and then 50 grams. So you can do, so write your 50 grams at the end of each, okay? That's perfect, but you're right here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And what we'll do, guys, at the end of the lesson, we'll review together so you can see. Excellent. But remember, we have 50 grams left over. 350, so 3 hectograms. And 50 gram. See, we have our 50 gram. 3 kg, 50 gram.
This.
Yes, this one, perfect. 300 grams, 3 hectogram. But 350 grams, 3 hectogram, and then what's left over?
5 grams.
50
grams.
50 gram. And here, 250 grams, 2 hectograms,
50 grams.
50 gram. Perfect, Dan. Well done. Don't forget your 50 grams left over too, guys. If we have 250 grams, 2 hectograms, 50 grams. 350 grams, 3 hectograms, 50 grams. But your kilograms will be 0. None of the weights of fruits reach kilograms. Perfect. Ned, okay, can you have a look? So 1 hectogram, can you say 1 hectogram?
1 hectogram.
1 kg.
1 kg.
3 hectograms,
2 hectograms.
3 kg.
3 kg.
2 hectograms,
2 hectograms.
2 kg.
2 kg.
And then these ones haven't quite reached. That's good. And you see your kilograms?
Kilogram.
0.
Kilo.
Yes. So grams,
Kilogram.
hectograms,
Kilogram.
kg,
Kg.
kilogram.
Kilogram.
Excellent. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity. And teachers, what you can do is collect the worksheets and review your students' answers. One thing you should notice is that the kilogram column are all in zeros because the weights are not enough for kilograms. But one thing to explain to students that's important is for the fruits, like for instance bananas, 350 grams, 3 hectograms, but they still need to include the 50 grams that are left over. So 350 grams, 3 hectograms, 50 grams. And the same for pineapple. Pineapple weighs 250 grams. So that's 2 hectograms. And how many grams left over? 50 grams left over. We still need to include. So well done, guys. Round of applause. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you found it interesting and had some fun learning too. And we'll see you soon for the next one. Can we turn and wave and say goodbye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.